Hello, welcome to all to Coding Roast. Today we're gonna talk about how we can use material design components in our Android application so that we can make our Android app very interactive and we can give it some visual effects and let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go on web and we have to search here material.io and the first link you have to open the first link, that is material.io. And after opening these links, what you have to do, you have to explore different components which is given by the material.io so that you can use that components and your Android applications to make your app very interactive. So now you have to click on components. Now you can see here different components, different material design components already built in by material library, and you can use these components and your Android applications. So you can see here different components are available here like radio buttons, sheets, sliders, etc., snack bars. So first of all, what we're gonna do that first of all we have to check how we can use these components in our Android. You have to click on develop, and then you can see here now here we can see different choices, that is Android. We can use these components for Android platform, as well as we can use these components for iOS and for web and for Flutter as well. So we're gonna using this in our Android application, so we have to click on Android. So after clicking this, you can see here, so now you have to click on get started with MDC for Android. So after clicking on this, you can see this. So now you can use their these components and your Android applications. So first of all, we have to copy this dependency and we have to paste it. Now we have to paste it here. Okay. So now we have to, you can see here, we have to define here variant of material design. So first of all, we will go back on our web and we can see here. So we have to check the variant of material design from here, these two links. So first one is Google's Maven repository and the second one is Maven repository. Either whatever you click on, you will see the variant. So I'm clicking on MVN repository. So now after clicking on that, you can see here the latest version is this one. So we have to copy this, sorry, this is the link, so I have to copy this one and I have to paste it here in my Android Studio. So Control V, and I have to remove this one as well. Okay, now I have to click on sync now. Okay, you can see here our Gradle build has been successful. So now what we will do, we will go to the UI of this application. So first of all, you can see here, this is the default user interface we get. So I have to remove this one and I have to change this constraint layout to my linear layout. So first of all, let me change. Okay, okay, relative layout. And now basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the seek bar. So what does seek bar do actually? So seek bar is just like a toast message, so we gonna using that. Okay, so for that we have to define here a button, and that will be match parent, and the height will be wrap content, and the id will be button. Okay, so now I have to drag it here in center. So let me give it to text to it. Okay, butn. Okay, I have to give the margin right and left as well. Margin left will be 10 dp and margin right will be also 10 dp. And now you can see here our button is ready, and what we have to do now, we have to move to backend of this app. So first of all, we will take here button, Okay, button, and now, okay, button is going to find viewer ID. Okay, so now whenever a user click on the button, so just like toast message or seek bar will be shown to the user. So for that we have to make it clickable. So let me so button dot set on click listener, new view on click listener, and whenever a user click on button, just like toast message, a seek bar will be shown to the user. So for that we have to check here, sorry, not seek bar, it's a snack bar is equal to snackbar dot make, and we will pass here some arguments like so the first one is on which we have to set this snack bar, for that is our button. So the second we have to pass here some text like you click the button. Okay, uh, and the last one is we have to give the duration. So for that we have to use snackbar dot length long, and we have different durations like length long, okay, and length short and length indefinite. So we have to give this length long, and now we have to, okay, show this. Okay, so now we have to check how our snack bar work. Let me start my emulator first. Okay, emulator is ready, so now we have to run our applications and we have to check how our application basically works. So let me run this. So our application is successfully installed on emulator. So let me click on button. Now you can see this, this is a snack bar, just like toast. What we basically do with toast, we basically show the text. Now here in snack bar, the mainly difference between snack bar and toast is that we can do multiple things with snack bar, like we can set the duration, and we can set, you know, like we can set basically like we can set animations as well. So this is our basic snapper. Now what we have to do, for example, we have to give the duration. So for that we have to write here snackbar dot duration, set duration, sorry, and we have to give in milliseconds. So let's assume that we are giving 5000, sorry, it's 50,000, and 5000 mean 5 seconds. So let me run it again, and now I have to check how our application works. So now again our application is installing on our emulator, and now our application is installing on our emulator. Material.design io, sorry, like you can visit the material design.io, like you can visit material.io and you can explore different functionalities, whatever you can do on your components, like you can see Here is we have used, that is a snack bar. So let me open this snack bar. Okay, this is snack bar. So now what you have to do, so now you can see here different functionalities what we can do with snack bar. Here snack bar. Okay, let me check its implementation. Okay, what we can do with snack bar, anchor mean whenever we want to attach with some components snack bar, so we will use anchor view, and uh, you can see this a button here as well. So you can explore different functionality whatever you can do with this, so you have to try this at your own. So that's it for today. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel and share this as well to your friends.